What are you doing here?
Mom, where did you go when you left me? Oh, how fun! My new brother will come home.
Wait, I'll show you some fun today.
Let's take you to the hospital. This is your new baby. Your new brother.
Why did you take my son away from here? I told you not to come to him.
These 100 mothers always oppress me. I have to cook quickly, otherwise my stepmother will beat me again. Now let's go to my mother's grave. Mom, this stepmother always tortures me.
Everyone please subscribe for the boy.